How to replace the mass airflow sensor in your 1994 to 96 Cadillac Fleetwood, Chevy Caprice, Chevy Impala SS, and Buick RoadMaster. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Replacing the mass airflow sensor is pretty simple. Just need to loosen the clamp here, loosen the clamp right here. Then I'm going to get it out and disconnect the electrical connector from down here. And after that, just simply swap it out with the new one. Loosen the hose clamp on both sides of the mass airflow sensor. I'm going to loosen the two wing screws on the airbox filter cover. Remove this hose, lift up the cover, and just pull it out of the way. And I've already loosened the clamp, so I should be able to slide this out. Just like that. And the last step is to disconnect the connector right here. Now the sensor's out, we can replace it with the new one. The new mass airflow sensor actually says right here, this side towards the air cleaner. There's also an arrow on the side showing you which direction it should be installed. I'm just going to transfer the rubber and clamps from the old one onto the new one. Attach the electrical connector, put it all back together and tighten the clamps, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.